Hi, Joe Holmes here. Welcome back to my channel, Cybertruck Unboxing, and I'm here to unbox a phone mount right here. It's specifically made for the Cybertruck. It fits on your air vent, and it's from Fontry, something like that. So literally this is it, not much to it. We'll put the box up here, we'll open this up, we'll pull out the part, and I've seen these on other vehicles, other Teslas. But this one's made specifically for the Cybertruck, and it's pretty cool. You can see this will adjust, and then you tighten it down. But let me have a seat here, and I'll show you how it installs. Pretty easy to install anywhere along here. You can install it, and I'll put it over here so you can see it a little bit easier. But you just pull this down and then make sure it goes underneath, and see how it sits there perfectly. And that's it. That's it. Then you just set your phone here. I like this, and probably going to end up in just putting it over here, because I like looking at the phone here instead of looking down where the charger is. If the phone needs charging, that's one thing. It's not going to connect to a charger. But if it's fully charged, I like it up here because I can actually see it as I'm driving. And if you're driving with full self-driving on, like I do all the time, you know that this little camera here is looking at you. And there are many times I look down, I don't even want to touch my phone, because the minute I touch my phone, it knows, and the full self-driving will start yelling at me. Pay attention, pay attention, pay attention. So I'm thinking that if I have the phone up here, I can see what's going on, and maybe reach up here and touch whatever I need to touch, answer the phone or whatever. But maybe it'll be a little bit easier, and maybe the eye in the sky from Tesla is not looking close when I'm doing it here. There's many a times where, like, I'm playing around with the radio or something while it's on full self-driving, and it's had enough and it starts yelling at me. So make sure, and I think it's great, make sure that you're driving safely, and that's what it's there for. But now that the phone is up here right next to the screen, I can see it a lot easier, and I can decide whether I want to interact with it or not. Very, very rarely do I interact with the phone other than to answer the phone, and that's pretty easy. You just touch a button and answer the phone. But I do not respond to texts and stuff like that, and you should not either. But anyways, very easy to install, very nice looking, matches everything in the Cybertruck here. I definitely recommend it for a stocking stuffer. We're like 2 days away from Christmas, so I definitely recommend it for that. And for those of you who have clicked on my link to buy your own Cybertruck or Tesla, I appreciate it, and I hope you appreciate the money that Tesla is giving to you as well. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.